In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Squarespace site. If you want to limit access to your website while you're still working on it, or if you simply want to make sure only approved visitors can view your content, Squarespace makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to enable password protection for your site so that visitors need a password before they can access it. To get started, log into your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're inside, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the important controls for managing how your website behaves, including visibility and access options. After the settings panel opens, find and click Site Availability. This section controls who can view your site and under what conditions. If your website is public right now, this is the area where you can change that and place restrictions on access. Inside Site Availability, select Password Protected. Choosing this option tells Squarespace that your site should no longer be open to everyone by default. Instead, anyone who visits your website will be asked to enter a password before they can continue. This is especially useful if your site is under construction, being reviewed internally, or meant for a limited audience. Next, type the password you want to use. Make sure you choose something secure, but also easy enough to share with the people who should have access. A good password should be difficult for strangers to guess. At the same time, avoid using overly simple words or anything personal and obvious. If multiple people need access, it can also be helpful to store the password somewhere safe so it can be shared consistently. Once you've entered the password, click Save. This final step applies the change and turns on password protection for your Squarespace site. After saving, your site will require that password from visitors before they can view its contents. And that's it. Your Squarespace website is now protected with a password. This is a simple but effective way to add a layer of privacy and control, especially when your site isn't ready for the public yet. If you ever want to change the password later or remove protection entirely, you can return to the same site availability settings and update it there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.